Welcome to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google password. So first, open your Google Chrome and you need to make sure that you log in your account. Now tap the profile icon at the top right corner. And then right here, you can now select the Manage Your Google Account. Now, as you can see right here, the tab at the top, you can see the personal info. So tap the personal info right over here. And then you can see if you scroll down until the bottom, you can see the password. Secure password helps protect your Google account. So tap on this one. And after you re-enter your current password, you can now put the new password and confirm your password. So as you can see here, password strength, use at least 8 characters and don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.